Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove author and date from WordPress post. Well, first, make sure to log in your WordPress account. And here I will show you two methods. The first one is by using code. The second one is by using plugins. So we're going to first step here by using code. So open your dashboard and you just need to go here on appearance and click on this customize. And here, as you can see, you will find this option. We're going to click on additional CSS. By doing so, you just need to upgrade your plan into a premium plan. And then you're going to paste this code right here. So I will paste this code on the description box so you can enter here on the additional CSS. And then once done, just need to click on the publish button. And with this way here, you can basically remove the author and date from WordPress post. Now the second method here is by using your plugins. So go back to dashboard and then we're going to click on these plugins. And here, as you can see, just need to go to the search box and we're going to search for the WP Meta and Date Remover. So right over here, once done, just press enter and you'll find this plugin here, WP Meta and Data Remover. So all you need to do here, just install it to your WordPress post and it should be also remove author and date from WordPress post. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.